consider the small 250 cubic single motorcycle as a weak, and you consider also the middleweight 500 twin adventure motorcycle as heavy bikes and high. So this is the solution, something between Morbidelli T352X. So what about this motorcycle? In this motorcycle we start from the tail, rack ready for the top box, handles for the passenger, a bit of space down of here that the saddle is open with a key that is existing here. Also sprocket metal wheels that is tubeless, and also a good Pirelli Rally tire, excellent, lovely. Take a look this exhaust. By the other hand, there is no rubber on the footrest of the passenger. That means that probably you don't want the co-passenger for so long. As we are going front, we see that we got protection here, rack here to protect the bike, also protection for our engine, metal, also protection for our hands. It's a bit of metal. It's not the best possible in quality, but it's better than the simple plastic cover. Also a USB connection down of here, a big tablet of 7-inch that gives you the feeling of that you are riding a rally motorcycle and not an adventure motorcycle, with 3 programs, a simple one, a sport one, and also one for the off-road that disconnect the back ABS and the traction control. All the things that you want to do, you control it from your left hand here. Easy menu, of course it's very simple, the menu of it. I don't like this transparent tanks that they are using mostly in Morbidelli for the liquids of the brakes. Also here is the same, and we got a windscreen that is going up and down, manual. Finally, I consider that this is a motorcycle with everything you want. Also the details like the plastics here of Morbidelli, you don't look directly the screw. It's a nice detail. Footrest for the rider with tooths, and also up from it rubber. I'm going on it. Do I feel comfortable? Yes, I am huge, I am fat, and I feel comfortable. It's everything nice, I am protected, I have a good view back, I like it a lot. And also take a look here, ideal for inside the town. Take a look that, I like it a lot. Also, let's see now with Georgia. Georgia, please. The material of the saddles, this is nice. I feel comfortable here as I am. How are you feeling back?
Real soft,
yeah,
and thick.
Nice. So you see, we are in a small bike and we are two huge persons, and even like this we are feeling comfortable. The only, let's say, wrong is the footrest of Georgia, that they got no rubber on it. So Georgia,
I can live with that.
For how many kilometers?
I don't know.
Of course, it's a small bike, it's a small range for two riders on it, it's okay. So that's it, Georgia. Let's go somewhere. No, we don't. I will find somebody else.
You are not taking me anywhere?
No.
Okay, the saddle is okay. I have a good view back, I'm well protected, and the sound of the engine, it's okay. The gearbox, it's lovely. We are moving and we will change direction as mostly we do in town, and we do it easily. Let's see now what about the brakes. The brakes are okay, yes. And the acceleration, yes, this is a powerful bike for the category. Of course, that helps you inside and little bit outside of the city. That is the purpose bit. Yes, lovely bike.
Engine, twin inline, liquid cool, 4-stroke, double overhead camshaft, engine of 349 cubics. I have to mention that this radiator of the bike is got protection front of it, and this is, I consider it as something very positive. Produce 41 horses at 10,500 RPM, that they are good number, and 31.5 Nm at 8,500 RPM, that is not a good number. So we have the power for the street, we have the horses for the street, and the bike is very fast and nice on street, but for the off-road we don't have the NM. But for that reason they have make the gearbox in that way that is short and gives you enough power to move also on dirt or inside the enduro of the cities. Anyway, an engine that is powerful enough and good enough and sounds like a street motorcycle. This is the only negative for me. Sounds like a street motorcycle. No, it's not the off-road crap, it's Is this power enough? Of course it's enough. We didn't press this bike a lot because it's a brand new motorcycle and we respect the engine and the bike that is a brand new, but it's a good enough. Wheels 1917 inch spocket wheels with a tubeless tire of Pirelli, and upside down fork front that is fat enough, and a nice back fork. There is a big wave style brake front and a single piston brake back with ABS of 2 channels that they brake this motorcycle excellent. Also for outside of the street, for off-road, you disconnect from the clock, from the tablet, the back ABS and the traction control. So everyone who rides this motorcycle feel very safe. Finally, this bike on street is moving excellent and it's tough enough to going a bit also off-road. No gasoline inside. Metal, hard plastic, soft plastic, soft plastic. Everything fits nice, all the plastics are good, the paint is nice with a bit of perla inside, black. I like all this motorcycle, everything it's a well made. I don't like the back pedal of the brake, looks a little bit cheap. I don't like this switch, looks cheap, and of course I don't like the fact that they don't put a little bit of rubber here. Otherwise it's an excellent made motorcycle and I like it. a bike that you can move easily on easy dirty paths. You don't afraid of it. So if you like also to going a bit for enduro, let's say mostly passing few paths, it's a nice bike for that and you will enjoy it. Serious. What about this bike? Nice made, good looking enough, good brakes for the category, good performance for the category, excellent moving on street, cornering, change directions and etc. And also you can also go off-road, and I consider that there are too many for a bike, so this is an all-arounder bike. And this for whom? It's for somebody who is beginner, quite clear, and for somebody who is in that age that can ride only motorcycles in this high and in this style. I am very positive in this motorcycle and I like it a lot. Georgia.
Yes, I loved everything about this bike, and I like that it is light and easy. You don't feel comfortable. Yes,
I forget to mention it's comfortable.
Light, comfortable, and it goes too fast for a comfortable and light bike for me. Fantastic. Not that I am afraid of the speed, but it's a fast bike for this category. I like it, and the look is amazing. Yes.
So that's it, Georgia.
Yeah, that's it.
Time for poetry.
Yes.
I will try to give a lot of quality on poetry. Quality, because the quality on poetry is what our fans are waiting from me. And also I have the Tsimbuki.
Oh.
Tsimbuki.
Yes.
Ένα κουραδάκι πάτησες, μα ακόμα δεν σου το είπα. Να το ξέρεις, θα το καθαρίζεις μετά, έτσι, με το ξυλάκι. Και εκεί που θα καθαρίζεις το κουραδάκι εσύ με το ξυλάκι, εγώ θα βγω έξω να ψάξω για κανένα καλό πουλάκι. Γιατί είμαι φωτογράφος και βγάζω όλο φωτογραφίες και μετά τις δείχνω στους ανθρώπους και λέω κίες. Έτσι λοιπόν το σκέφτηκα, εκτός από καλλιτέχνης, να γίνω και ένας ποιητής που έβγαζε φωτογραφίες. Ένα πουλάκι πέρασε απάνω σαν κοράκι, το βλέπω και του γυάλισε λιγάκι και αυτού το μάτι.
Αυτά εκεί, ναι.
Όμως εγώ δεν άντεξα, θα πάω παραπέρα, να πιάσω μία προβατίνα, να κάνουμε παρέα. Μπουκολικό, φυσιολατρικό, πολύ ωραίο. Για να μην λέει η Γεωργία δηλαδή ότι έχω συνέχεια πείματα τα οποία είναι πρόστιχα. Έχει πολύ έντονο το βουκολικό στοιχείο, έχει κουραδάκι, έχει προβατίνα, έχει πουλί, έχει φωτογραφία, μην το συζητάμε. So, ladies and gentlemen, after this moment of poetry, of elegant poetry.
Speechless, I'm speechless.
This is your problem. You have to read a little bit more to improve yourself to something better.
Μάλιστα.
And starting to read poetry.
I have you with the poetry. Why should I read more?
I can also tell you in the European poetry.
If you want to play tennis, άστο.
Don't. So, this is Georgia and Ioannis for Kokkina Fegaria Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you.
Please like, share, subscribe. It's fantastic to be a subscriber in our channel because you live all the motorcycle world from inside, and everything we see, you see it at the same time with us. So it's lovely to be subscriber in our channel. So, thank you. Till the next video, I let you with Georgia.
What's our other videos? Θα κάνω τέτοια. Θα κάνω γυρνάω τη φύση.